It's the first time I've done a review in a long time. If I sound like a sniffly, ill person, that's because I am, but I really wanted to do a quick review on this, what's called a 2-cylinder air compressor. I've had endless tyre issues in the last few weeks. I had a broken alloy wheel on my car, got that fixed from a great little place in Bromley. I think it's called A1 Alloys, I think. 50 quid just to get an alloy fixed. The tyre went down again to find there was a hole in the tyre, to then find that the back wheel had a hole in it. So I saw this online and I think it was £16.99, and I thought it'd just be a cheap bit of junk, but it would do the job. It's actually arrived, and I wanted to do this review because it looks like a really top bit of kit, really good quality it looks. The ones I was looking at, they go down to £9 or £12. They did look cheap. This one, £16.99, it looks like £100 unit. You know, it's got a lot more stuff than the cheap, slightly cheaper ones. Nice little flexible hose there. Everything's really heavy, like as if it was well made. Okay, so it does say heavy duty air compressor to inflate truck, utility vehicles, cars, and motorcycle tyres. Maximum pressure 100 psi. It does sound really heavy duty. Like I say, the one I had before was really cheap and cheerful. Did the job, just took ages to inflate a tyre. So it comes with its own little bag, which I can just throw in the boot. And as you can see, it's a pretty hefty bit of kit. It actually is metal. I thought it was just going to be imitation metal and be all plastic. Yeah, that's a solid, hefty bit of kit. So it does just actually plug in to your cigarette lighter in the car, or it has this extension so you can take it straight off a battery. Yeah, it's got lots of different connectors for inflating a football and various other things you might want to inflate. Okay, was tempted to read the instructions then, but it is idiot proof. Just about, I was screwing this, but actually it is a push. It's a push together. You pull back that little catch there and just push that in, which is what I thought it should do, and that's a good connection. And then I assume that's going to go straight on my tyre. Yeah, you can just screw that bit onto the wheel. So I'm assuming, oh, there's an on switch, good. So it's really intuitive, nice little rubber feet. Okay, so it doesn't sound any more powerful than the other one I had, but let's see how quick it inflates a wheel. Okay, so as you can see, this comes out really nicely from the car. And then this thing's got a load of flex on it, and this just screws in until it makes connection with the actual valve. And that's saying to me, I don't know how accurate that is, about 35 in there. I'm not sure that's true, but I can check it. Let's turn it on. Okay, that's put that up to 5 psi already. So that's really cool. Okay, so I've got my other valve that I always rely on. About 37. Yep. Well, that says 38, which was roughly right, so that's really cool. So that's why I wanted to do this video. Nice little handle. It's just a really nice bit of kit that I just wanted to share. If you want a budget but looking like a sturdy tyre inflator or ball inflator, whatever, this is a good buy off eBay. Not that I get anything out of it financially. I will put a link in the description below. So if this is something you want to go and get for £16.99, obviously you're more than welcome. So thanks for watching. Hope this has been useful.